Alright guys, here with the project malibu. I'm gonna take this HVAC, which is held on by this screw and one right there and one over there. I'll show you. But first is disconnect the front plug-in. It looks like this harness is the one that goes to the HVAC, so we'll take that off. Man, these things are stuck. And make sure you can't take these off with one hand. You don't want YouTubers. You don't want people on YouTube taking them off. Alright, so here we go. Take that plug off. This is just a practice dash I had laying around from another 18 Malibu.
Oye, Marco, pero sacaste el del blanco, ¿verdad? Pero que realmente es que le vas a poner es el del rojo, ¿no?
Sí, para estudiar, es que no son iguales. Este viene montado aquí, esto viene montado aquí.
Ok.
Necesito desarmar todo si quieres que se esté el aire acondicionado.
Ok.
O sea,
O sea, estás estudiando, o sea, no está bien. Pero digo, no,
ya hubiera estado cambiado, nomás que quieres que se esté el aire acondicionado.
no, pues, o sea, sí, pero si ves un problema, pues lo llenamos, chinga su madre, son $400.
Sí,
Pero mira, ahorita según tú, ¿verdad que se tiene que venir? Según tú,
¿se tiene que qué?
venir con todo y tubo, con este.
Si no ves, está montado él, se vino con todo eso.
No, entonces, pues bríncate porque,
Tengo que desarmar el skin, tengo que quitar el bar, detenerle esto, que se esté.
no, pues, o sea, que si eso te causa problemas o algo, pues ni modo. Hay que arriesgarnos, chinga, pues
Y
quítale el
cambiar
aire.
todo el arnés y luego
Quítale el
quitar
aire.
aquel completo y hacer la misma historia que en
No,
aquel
pues entonces
y
quítalo,
poner
quítalo. Ni modo, que se pierda el aire.
pues el aire y el agua,
¿Mande?
es el aire y el agua. Ahorita lo quito, ya estoy.
Ok, no, no, está bien. Yo no me digo si tú crees que te va a causar un problema. Porque eso va por fuera agarrado, ¿ah?
No, no, nomás lleva un tornillo.
Ok. Pues tendrías que quitar estos.
Sí, pero para llegar aquí necesito quitar todo.
No, pues si tú quieres que se puede salvar todavía, pues le damos. Sí, estás bien, estás bien. Estás bien.
First they tell me to take everything apart and then they want to come fucking question. So I'll take this box off so I can get a better view of this harness. Because I believe this is going to come completely with that. And that's the only connection that goes. Okay. And then on the top side, take this one off. No, I'm wrong. That will stay. That's the connection we just took off over there. My first time, guys, taking this apart. Take that thing off. Now I shall flip it. Take the connections on the bottom side off. Grab my tool. I took this thing out, but this screw, but I'll put it back in because it's held in by the same box. took these connections up earlier, but you don't have to. My mistake. But there is a size 10 socket bolt right here. You have to take off to dismount it, and 3 in the front. I'll take them all together. You do have to take this off. And then there's a torque right here, 7 millimeter. You have to take this airbag off to get to it. I gotta lose that camera. God damn it, I'm losing everything. I'll go find it. If we could take this clip out. Later, we'll do that later. 7 millimeter. And remember, this is the bottom side of the bag. Take this, because it will get stuck to this bed. It's gonna cause this problem. Stretch it harness. Part of this big harness, so we gotta take it off here. Okay. So now we'll pick up our tools. Take off the tans in the front. Flip it back around. And then, hopefully you guys can see from this view. There's a tan right here. And the 2 bolts up top. Yo, flip it back around. Take that bottom one off. Shit. Flip it back around to see the front side. And it's off. And that's what you do to get that off of that. Thanks for watching, subscribe, comment, anything.